You get that last minute. Okay, so today I thought I'd do a video on how to wrap a Moby wrap or Solly wrap. Basically just how to wear your baby. If you are curious on how to make your own, I will put a link in the cards here and in the description below on how to do that. I have a video, it's really simple. This one right here I made, and this is what I'm gonna be using to do my demonstration today. The first thing you're gonna do is find the center point. So if you don't already have a tag in the middle, then you're gonna wanna fold it in half. Get the two ends right there. Fold it in half. There you go. And then find just where your middle point is. Put it wherever you want the baby to sit. Wrap it around behind your back, just like that. And then switch. Use this hand right here to grab it. Switch and then pull this over your shoulder. You can just leave it over, that's fine. Either way, whether it goes above or under, as long as the tails are tucked into the belly piece at the end, then it's fine. Then you're going to get this piece and do the same thing. You're just gonna wrap it around, grab it with the opposite hand, and then pull it over your shoulder. Now you have your two tails just hanging in front of you. This is when I tighten. Tight. Now put the two tails or the one tail, depending on how you went about it in that first step, and just tuck them into that center piece. This goes a lot quicker once you get the hang of it. It's really, it sounds more difficult than what it actually is. Okay? Now we're going to cross them over. And it doesn't matter whether you cross this way or whether you cross this way, it's all the same. You're just going to crisscross them, pull these around, and then this is where you can choose to tie it here, or if it's too much fabric, then you can go around again, crossing in the back, and then tying it in the front. I pull it in the front only because sometimes I put this on before we leave to go to the store or something, and I don't want the ball behind me poke me in the back, so I'll tie it just kind of to the side. And then so I don't really do a knot, I do like a horse's knot. So if you ride horses, you'll know what I mean. But just fold it over and then pull it, but don't actually pull the other side completely through to make that knot. That way when you need to undo it, you just kind of pull that apart and it's easily undone. But the wrap is still secure and snug. Okay, so this is when you're gonna straighten everything out. You can do this when baby's in, but I just like to do it when she's not in yet because it's just one less thing to be juggling. My hair looks crazy right now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's get the baby and put her in. Oh, do. Okay, so this time, this time the piece closest to me is on my left side. So just again, whatever piece is closest to you, so this one's on the outside, we're gonna start with this inner piece. So with this one, we're gonna grab her leg and put it right under her butt, reaching to the other side. And this fabric right here can be bunched up right here, that's fine. Or you can choose to even pull it out further. It doesn't matter, I just leave it bunched up. And then again, now with the other side, stuffing the baby's leg in, bringing that fabric all the way across to that butt, and then pulling the extra right here at the end. Wait. Now you get that last middle piece, so your belly piece, and you stuff both the baby's legs inside. And then you just pull that up as high as you want, making sure that it's still underneath the baby's rear end. If you don't want their arms out, you can just put their arms in and then use those two side pieces, one to go over their shoulders. Ow! You want to make sure that it's across their shoulder blade. Anyway, so you can put their shoulders right in there like that. And then there you go. So that's how you do the wrap. Now she's not falling out. She's secure. Now if you have a newborn, then yes, you're gonna want those arms tucked. Loretta, be a newborn for me right now. Gonna tuck those arms in and tuck that one in. Oh, she's so sleepy. What a sleepy bear. Right there. And then you can even, if they're sleepy, Mama, keep your arms in. Keep your arms in just for the video. And then you just push their head in. And then she's a little too big for this now. But what I used to do, I used to pull this over her head and she would just kind of snuggle up like that. She is not having it today though. Okay. Well, that's it. I have got to go. I'm gonna put this little girl to sleep. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please share it and then subscribe to the channel so you know when the next videos do come out. Again, if you want to know how to make your own wrap, there's going to be a description below and a suggested video card at the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Oh my goodness. Ow! You hit me. No hitting. No.